Hi everyone, so today I'm just going to walk through this volcano lesson with you and just let you know everything that I'm looking for out of this lesson from you guys. So let's get started. So if we look at this lesson all together, obviously we're talking about volcanoes, which is super exciting. I'm so excited to start this with you. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the terms of volcano, lava, and magma. You will be able to identify and illustrate what the ring of fire is using a flip grid. We'll learn what that is. It's super cool. You will be able to identify how volcanoes form, which is so crazy. I can't wait to teach you about that. You will also learn how to demonstrate your own knowledge of where volcanoes come from and how they are found in the earth. We are going to be using Flipgrid, BrainPop, Book Creator, in Google Docs in this online lesson. So if you scroll down here, the first thing we are going to do, guys, is look at this BrainPop video about volcanoes. I know we watch BrainPop videos all the time, but they are just so helpful. So if you click on this link and you click on Google Chrome, I already had it open, sorry. So you're just going to watch this video. You don't have to answer any questions about that, but really pay attention to what they're saying in this video. It's super informational and obviously entertaining. The next thing we're going to do is look at this Google Docs. So you're going to click on the link. And it opens up this sheet that I created for you guys. So what you're going to do is copy this whole thing and paste it in a new document using this, using that button right there. Just copy and paste this whole thing in your own so you could put your name and edit it. So for this, all you have to do is just answer a few questions about what you learned in the video. So first it says, after the BrainPop video, what are 3 facts that you learned about? Just so I know that you paid attention. Do you have any questions about the video? Anything that you wanted me to clear up for you? And then just 2 things that you still want to learn about volcanoes, because a lot is covered in that video, but not everything. So that's what I want to know here. And then the next activity, so that's activity 2, is the Google Docs. The first one was the video. So the next activity, I made a link right here, and it's also, if we go back to our lesson, it's also linked down here. This is a website called Book Creator. It's a super cool resource that we could use. I'll show you what it is. So basically, you could make a book, your own book. You could illustrate your book and you can make it about anything. But today, obviously, since the theme is volcanoes, we are going to do it on volcanoes. Oops, why is that? There we go. Okay, so what you're going to do with this activity, this one might be the most time consuming, but just know that you could just hand it in, like you could work on it after class and hand it in when you're done. The due date is probably I'll give you 2 days to do all of this. But yeah, so you're going to use mine as a model. You're going to title it volcanoes, or learning about volcanoes, or fun facts about volcanoes, whatever you want. I want you to use your creativity with this project because that's the whole point of it. Yeah, so I drew a volcano. I hope you enjoy it. My not so great artistic abilities. So if we turn the page, I provided these prompts that you could use for each page just to make it easier and really lay out what I need you to do here. You're using this example, just to clarify, you're using my example right here as a model, but you're gonna add, so you're gonna look at this and look at each page, what you should put on each page. But when it comes time for you to make your own, you're going to go to My Books and you're going to do New Book. And you could pick your size. I just picked portrait. You could do like any kind you want, and you just click text. You can make text. You can make drawings with a pen. There's so many different tools. This website has like such cool features, like these different designs, emojis. It's really up to you on how you want to decorate it and stuff. But so yeah, you're making your own, but using mine as a model. If you have any questions about this, just please let me know. I would love to help you out. But on each page is what I want you to provide for me, so I know that you know what's going on with volcanoes. So this is this activity. It's called Book Creator. So if we go back to the last activity, it's called Flipgrid. And I know you guys know what Flipgrid is because we do so many Flipgrids. But we're just going to do this one to close out the lesson. So for this Flipgrid, all I want you to do is choose one of these questions to answer in your Flipgrid. At the beginning of your 3-minute video, please make sure to tell me which question you chose to answer so we're on the same page. Have fun with it and add stickers and filters if you want to, like we always do. In addition to making your own video, please interact with one other video from a peer. So I want you guys to interact with someone else's video. Does that make sense? Like this could look like a bunch of different things, like commenting on a video, commenting, great video, I learned so much about volcanoes, great work. You could like a video, or you could even, if you really want to, you could record yourself responding to your friend's video, saying like, hi, I loved your video and here's why. I just really want to hear you guys like collaborate and really support each other during this lesson, and just know that your friends are here with you learning about volcanoes. So yeah, that's the last lesson. Yeah, that's about it for this lesson. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me if anything's confusing or you don't understand what you're supposed to do. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy learning about volcanoes because it's one of my favorite topics to do with you guys. I'm sorry we have to be online for this unit, but just know that I'm here for you if you need help. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.